Good morning, student. In this chapter 2 of history deals with the earliest people who move from place to place in the search of food. Ancient time, what happened? The people started moving from one place to another place. The chapter discusses many topics in detail, such as how we come to know about these people, how they start farming and herding. So many things we are going to discuss, and the chapter ends with the explanation of people's journey from birth to death at Mehrgarh. Mehrgarh, it is located in present day Pakistan. Before it was in India only. So we can start. So in this video we are going to cover 3 points, very important 3 points: varieties of foods, the beginning of farming and herding, a few way of life. So we can go to the first point. So first point, it is varieties of food. Ancient time, the people started cultivating crops such as rice, wheat and barley, and different region, different crops they cultivated, such as rice. Example, rice required more water, wheat and barley also it's required more water. 5 farmers grow some crops in some areas and not in other areas because of the water only. So North India people, those who have settled in North India, they can cultivate rice, wheat and barley, and those who have settled in South India, they didn't cultivate rice, wheat and barley. If the plenty of the water, then only they can cultivate the rice, wheat and barley. So that we can see here. Instead of cultivating in different areas, example you can take South India, the people, what they can cultivate, they can cultivate dry fruits, or they can cultivate jowari or any other plants they can cultivate. So this is what we can discuss, and we can go to the second point. It is the beginning of farming and herding. So this is very important. With the development of grassland, the people came to know about growing wheat, barley, rice in different parts of the subcontinent. This is how they started practicing farming. People also attract and then tame animals by leaving food from them near their shelter. The first animal to be tamed was the wild ancestor of the dog. Animals such as sheep, goat, cattle and also the pig lived in herds, and most of the ate grass. Often people protected these animals from attacks by other wild animals. This is how they became herders. So next point we are going to discuss here, very important. So you can see here tools and techniques in this 2 pictures. Ancient time, what the people they did, they started using the tools and techniques, different tools and techniques. So that also we are going to see here. So first picture we can see the tools, it is made with the stones. Ancient time, the people were using the flint stone most of the time. Why they used the flint stone? Because to discover the fire. So we can go to the next point. It is a very important point we are going to see here. So here we are going to see a new way of life. People began growing plants. The first point we are going to cover, and second point we are going to cover, people had to stay long time in one place. The people, they don't want to move from one place to another place. Why they want to stay in one place? So that also we are going to see. People had to stay in the same place for a long time, looking after the plants watering, weeding, driving driving away animals and birds till the grain ripened. So because of that, the people have to stay long time in one place. They don't want to move from one place to another place. Why? Because they wanted to take care of the plants. So because of that, and then they start thinking of the storing the grain. They started storing up the grain for food and seeds. What happened when they cultivated the crops? They started growing. They started storing the crops. So why they started storing the grains? Example, as a seed, what they did ancient time people, they started storing the grains. And why? Again, second, as a food also they started storing the grains as a gift. What is gift? Ancient time the people started giving gift to one person to another person. So because of that, and last point, it is storing for food purpose also. So that also we can see here. And next point, it is storing animals. Animals that are reared can be used as store of food, such as milk. And the milk, it is very important source of the food. Then people started taking care of the animals such as goat, sheep, cow, buffaloes. So by that the people started taking care of the animal, and the milk, it is the one of the important source of the food. Because of that, the people started taking care of the animals. Thank you so much.